This 5-minute solution will show you how to turn off auto download for PUBG Mobile on iPhone. So if your PUBG is automatically downloading, you may face lagging or slowing issues when you are playing the PUBG game. So to turn off auto download, open your PUBG mobile app and tap on this download icon. And here you will find this option, automatic download. So all you have to need just deselect this option to turn off auto download. You can also uncheck cellular network and auto download new version option from here. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.